Morning, gold morning, everyone. So we had a very gold morning today. Leaving the runner, then securing it just now. We
Wow.
had total of $300 in profit in one night. A very low risk trade. So I'll be showing you some screenshots of what happened last night. So I was selling it for one lot. Then I close it early. I trim it early. So yeah, sayang. But that's life. So need to control my discipline more when it comes to profits. So let's train ourselves muna, okay? So ito yung one lot natin. And then the point 0.5 I trim it. Point 0.5 and then yeah. I was expecting ganito kasi. I wanted to break this push up during the news yesterday. The jobless claims ata yun. And then pag nabasa kasi ito, it will go here sa binilugan ko 1870. Then when I woke up, it's around 1860. So I secured it na. Okay? So this was the
Wow.
jackpot level I was anticipating. So bakit? It's because of the CPI news for next week. Okay, CPI news for next week. Maybe I was thinking that the market will price in the high inflation for next week. So high inflation, it will push the Fed to raise their
Okay.
raise their interest rates, and it will push the Fed to raise their interest rates, and then it will be good for the dollar in the short term. But in the long term, if that inflation is too high, then hindi nila kayang i-control, the Fed, the market will eventually realize, oh, the inflation is so strong, then it's bad for the dollar, okay, in the long term. But we don't know. We really don't know what will happen. So I'm anticipating in a narrative that there is a high inflation. The Fed will raise their interest rate. So yeah, yun yung naging bias ko. That's why we had a sell last night. And then price action wise, titingnan natin sa price action. Let's check some, yeah, here, oh, in the charts. Okay, so yeah, I was telling everyone na this week is a bullish week, and then I need to see a red candle. So red candle for the daily. If not today, then on Friday. Why? Because this will be the resistance. The resistance level here. Okay, it created the resistance now. So if this resistance breaks, then we can say that gold will push up to the 1900 level. So maybe next week upon the release of the CPI, maybe. So we already have the catalyst, the CPI, and then we already have the resistance. So ayun, completos recados for next week. If the CPI is not good for the US, then it could break the resistance created Thursday, and then eventually it will push the price to the 1900 level back again for gold. So that was I that the thing that I'm anticipating was the red daily candle, so that meron tayong resistance. Okay? So it's the big account is good for the week, but yung $200 account natin ite-trade pa natin mamaya. Okay? So maulan sa labas ngayon, parang profits natin umuulan. So gold morning everyone. God bless sa inyong lahat. I hope you're in profits today. God bless everyone.